Pia wasimamizi wa uwanja huu wa golf wa Muthako, mwenyeji ameshatualika. Nachukua fursa hii kumwalika
We want to specifically appreciate the Mediamax Group under the leadership of their CEO, Mr. Ken Ngaruiya, for partnering with us in order to deliver a spectacular experience for the Kenya Open Golf Championship this year.
Today marks the beginning of our 3-year media partnership to bring the magical Kenya Open experience to Kenyans through K24 and K24 Plus. With K24 Plus, you'll be able to watch and follow the magical Kenya Open everywhere and anywhere you'll be on your mobile phones. Our goal as Mediamax is to facilitate the growth of local golf here by giving exposure to golf to all Kenyans through our media platforms.